kumakain. And we have an important kasi meeting ngayon. Iniwan din namin si Mimi, as you can see.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Where are we going?
Swimming.
Woo! Let's go.
When you feel like it's over and nothing else matters, I know you feel so divided. Pick yourself up again and you better start walk, girl. Open up, just let me hear you talk, girl. You have come too far to give it up now, even though it seems there's no way out. Take a look in the mirror now, what do you see? You can be anything you want to be, you know. You will never be alone. Girl, go make your move. There's nothing left to prove. I know that you will find your love again. Don't be ashamed to cry. Hold your head up high. I know that love will save the day.
Hello mga Zoos! Magandang araw sa inyo. So, para po sa vlog natin today, late kami nakapag-start. Ikwento ko lang yung naging unang araw na, unang mga ginawa namin. Ako, I had a Zoom meeting kanina, lunchtime. And si Andy, habang nakikipag-meeting ako, na-vlog mo ba dati? Nag-swimming kayo ni Mimi. Ayan. Nag-swimming sila.
Turn right.
Tapos nakalimutan na namin kumain. Hindi pa talaga kami kumakain. And we have an important kasi meeting ngayon. Iniwan din namin si Mimi. As you can see, kaming dalawa lang ni Andy ngayon. Andito sa kotse. Walang tao ang car seat. Kasi nga, hindi namin siya talaga pwedeng isama. Okay lang naman kasi nandun ng lahat ng pinsan. So, eto na. Maingay si Waze. On the way na kami. Nandito kami ngayon sa aming area lang, sa The Fort.
After SMR, we can go to OWN.
Oh, may plano si Daddy after na meeting, shopping. Oh, actually, ang galing natin. Hindi naman masyadong mamimili.
Yeah,
No?
we haven't been that.
Oo, hindi kami masyadong
You know
magastos
why?
this time.
It's because we're always with Mimi. So
Nakakalimutan na namin. Hindi nakakalimutan. It's
No, it's
like
just
hard.
it's hard to choose, and you know that she wants to go somewhere else.
Thank you, Mimi.
Yeah, so she's actually saving us money.
Yes.
Continue straight.
Ang ganda ng mall. Tingnan nyo guys. So, mall yun eh. Ayan o.
It's just 80 meters. Saan yung Brittany Hotel?
Baka dito lang. Baka ito na.
Sa SMR?
Oo. Or on the left side. And the right side.
Left side ba?
Ayan, may picture. Arriving in the...
There it is.
Sa tabing-katabi lang ng SMR.
It's actually really good. Do you remember anything ever being here?
Hindi. Parang bago.
I mean, it must have been
Baka
there.
bago, no?
Sometimes you have to look backwards.
Nah, we're good ways. We're already here. We are here.
We are not late. Akala namin kasi malilate kami. Okay. May parking naman pala dati.
May Brittany parking.
Oo. Brittany, baby!
Baka pwede dito. Sa baba.
Tanungin natin. Kay
Boss,
Guard.
sa Brittany Hotel, pwede, saan yung parking? Sa Brittany.
Brittany?
Yeah. Dito?
Opo.
Okay. Pero wala kaming room, okay lang?
Walang-
May meeting lang sa Brittany. Wala kaming room.
Basta dito pa yung parkingan.
Sige, sige.
Thank you!
Na basement 3.
Basement 3. Bakit nahawakan ko naman
That was steeper. The car struggled to stop. So, right?
basement 3, yeah, right. Ayan o, kanan. Basement 1 to 4. Basement 3 po. Brittany.
For Brittany.
Hotel.
Parking.
Yeah.
Apa, parking.
May ticket na to?
Meron na po.
Meron.
Meron na po.
Meron na po.
Dismentary po.
Thank
Tatlong
you.
ikot po.
Tatlong ikot.
So guys, we have made it. We have an important meeting, so we'll tune in with you guys a little later.
just finished up with our meeting, so now we're heading off to SM Aura. We're gonna try and do some shopping.
Habang walang bata para makapag-look around.
Yes, let's go.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
And guys, we are back here at the hotel, so we just finished up some shopping and dinner. And one thing we noticed, although we had a good time, it's more expensive not having Mimi around. We went shopping. What else did we do?
Mas malaki yung sa'yo
Oh, parang malapit na kasi 5K tapos 1.5 ka.
1.5.
Yung...
Ayun,
nakalimutan na, no?
Oh.
Ayun, so 7.5
Oh,
ka.
6.5 lang ako. 5,000 lang yung H&M ko. Ikaw 10,000.
Oh, plus 1.5.
Oh,
Ano yan, guys?
Hindi, 5,000 lang yung H&M ko. Plus 1.5.
sige.
So 6.5. Ikaw 10,5.
Mali naman ako. Ayun, 10.5.
10.5. Oh.
Ayun, so
Kulang
parang
pa,
malapit lang.
Kulang pa, babe.
Ayun, so it is more expensive not to have Mimi with us pala. But we did enjoy our time, so that's the main thing.
Pwede, minsan lang.
Yes, but
Pwede araw-araw.
she's now asleep, apparently. Actually, we were missing her, and she was missing us because she kept calling, but we found out she's asleep now, so we're back in the room, we'll charge, and then, ayun, one little girl still awake. Did you just wake up? Ayun, sino pa nandito? No, sunburn yan.
Not blush.
Ay, blush. Wala, ayun o, mga pagod. Welcome.
Hindi ko nga pala si Ate Lani, nakalimutan ko. Kanina kang phone, pa-charge mo na.
Ayun, charge mo na kami, guys. Nice outfit, babe. Ganda, no? Oh, you did? Ah, okay.
Relax muna tayo sa baba. Music.
Yeah, we're just heading out now, guys, because like you said,
The floor selected is a
Mimi
restricted floor.
is asleep, so even though we're a little bit tired now, thought we'd just go live downstairs, hang out, and listen to some music kasi may mga bands sa baba. So, yun, chill na muna.
Ang saya makapunta dun sa lugar na pinupuntahan mo dati, no? Tapos medyo iba na yung mga nakikita mo. So happy ako na nakapunta ako ulit ng SM Aura, tapos nakakain ako dun sa favorite restaurant namin na Paul. Kasi talagang dati doon kami nagpupunta. And at the same time, happy din ako na maganda yung naging resulta ng aming meeting. Naku guys, abangan nyo yan talaga. So ngayon pa lang po, ako ay nagpapasalamat sa overwhelming ninyong support sa aming vlog dahil since dumating kami dito sa Pilipinas, never ending yung natatanggap kong comments, magaganda, positive na words coming from all of you mga Zoobs. And so I'm still gonna say I'm grateful dahil yun talaga yung nararamdaman ko. Kaya maraming salamat sa lahat na nagtiwala na nag-sponsor sa ating vlog dito sa Philippines. Thank you so much po. We love you. Mwah.